Great readers make great writers, whilst great writers make great communicators, and great communicators make great persuaders. And you know what great persuaders make? They make good society, and that's what this world needs. I think that is totally crazy that all anyone ever talks about. It's game, TV show, WhatsApp, Instagram, Bitmoji. I don't even know what that is. My brother just told me about it. Wait, chat, Kiki, Sarah, and could go on forever. Studies have shown that some kids these days even spend 6.5 hours on screen a day. I think we should draw attention to this problem. However, not reading can even result in making your brain less active or engaged. Just over the past, I've enjoyed reading. We know by Carl May, the Harry Potter series with 8 books, the Roald Dahl series with 12 books, and the Wednesday series with 7 books, and many single books in between. Some I like less, some I like more, but they all took me such an adventure. Ask my family member, I'm feeling happy shit. When I don't have a good book to read right next to me, I love reading places like my bed on the move while walking in the toilet. Kiwis in vehicle, but more importantly at home. I hide behind various corners of my house, so nobody can find me and make do anything else. Once I even hid behind a flower pot that pretend to be a flower, not moving that at all. Nobody could find me for age. It was hilarious. I read anywhere. So for all the skeptical people out there, let me tell you, when you have a good book to keep you company, there is nothing better in the universe. It takes you the place where you can and let you meet people you can't meet. Reading is love in action, and the positives are endless. I usually never have to study for spelling test, and it made my vocabulary so good that easily impress any grown up. Sometimes the first thing I know I have just had a short conversation with a grown up, and the next thing I know there is a room full of adults talking about me. I can't imagine my life without a book. What it compares is the lost art of reading, communication, and persuading. To some on the great hostile ill, on the text message, tweet, and snap, will this wonder and modern technology have their place? With young generation have to all on the reading. Is the key to all kingdoms, so go out there, find a good book. Not just any book, the best are the recommended by another kid, and just go for it.